back again for another episode of Dose of Ivy here, and today we are gonna unbox a special box from Colourpop. I am super excited for it. Oh. Here it is, guys. It's the Disney Designer Collection, care of Colourpop and Disney. I'm excited to see what's inside. Now, the reveal. Should you guys see it first before me? I want to see it. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. So we have Tiana, Ariel, we have Belle, Jasmine, Snow White, and Cinderella. They look so different from photos and now when you're seeing it in person. That looks so nice. You guys can see it. Yeah, that's the PR set collection. And then the next thing we're gonna do is see what they look. The Disney Designer Collection consists of, first, the eyeshadow palette in a very nice golden packaging. We have a variety of lovely eyeshadow shades. Then we have the Kiss the Girl Lip Locks bundle with the names of the princesses. First we have Cinderella in this classic pink shade. Snow White, red as an apple lippy. Sorry about that. Then we have Jasmine in hot pink shade. It's a little bit blurry, I'm so sorry. And this is my personal favorite color, Belle, in roseberry shade. Next is Ariel in peachy pink nude color. Last, Tiana in deep oxblood color. Next is our Super Shock eyeshadow. I really like this packaging. Let's name the first one. We've got Almost There. A Whole New World. Super Shock Shadow. Be Our Guest. Be Our Guest. And then we have So This Is Love. There you have it. And next is our Ultra Lip Gloss Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. If you guys know Cinderella, I bet you know that is. We have first is Boo. And this is my favorite color. Okay, remove this in the packaging. Again, this is my personal favorite lip gloss because the color. Next is our Bobbidi. It has that peachy shade of lip gloss. And last is Bibbidi. Bibbidi for me has that shimmer color lip gloss. And there you have it, lovelies. Thank you very much for watching my unboxing Colourpop Disney collection.